I've been waiting on this for over 2 months. I pre-ordered it on day 1 and it finally came. I think I was like the last person on pre-ordered to finally get it. Literally had to beg for it to be sent, but it's here. This is the Axial SCX24 B-17 Betty.
I love the pinup girl.
And after pre-orders, after I finally got mine, completely back ordered. So if you like this, because if you've watched our channel for a long time, you know I love the SCX24 series. This is just gonna be awesome, I can tell you that right now. And you're gonna want one. Go get your name on the list. Go ahead and order it, back order, whatever. And then eventually it'll show up. Mine, I pre-ordered it, took 2 months.
Crazy.
Hopefully it's worth it. It will be. Doesn't this look?
The tires look good.
So good.
I think the tires look sweet. The color scheme is awesome. There are lights.
Yeah, so the lights are in right there. The front bumper. No lights in the back. Take the hood off to show you what's under it. It hinges up, which is super cool. You've got a reaction battery in here that comes with it because it is completely ready to run. It is a 2S 350 milliamp 30C battery.
You can run a bigger battery.
With a Molex connector on it. And then
ESC receiver combo, little brushed motor right there. And it comes with extra steering links and a few other links. Has a few tools, comes with a nice USB charger, and then check out the radio.
So it's just an axial transmitter to the AX4, no Spectrum technology. Like, I kind of expected it to maybe have some Spectrum tech in it, but it does not. But it does have the low, medium, and high switch in there, which is pretty cool. I like that a lot with handing RCs to other people, so it's pretty cool. My favorite thing about this is just the color scheme. They matched the wheels to the body. I love the green. I just think that looks so cool. I love it. I like drooled like you wouldn't believe when I saw it, and then I just bought it real fast. Impulse buy, but not really, because
we knew we'd like it.
I love it. And you know, I have the Chevy version, but for some reason it's never made it on the channel. I got it in the pretty
it's
like
still in the box.
Blue. Yeah, I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because it came at a bad time and then it got shoved aside. And yeah, you're a patron, you'll know what I'm talking about. And anyways, that needs to show up on the channel too. I still want someone to contact me, Instagram, direct message me. I need someone to make me an indoor course.
Someone said they would, but it would cost too much to ship.
Where do you live? I will come get it. If you're less than 5 hours away from me, I'll go get it. Okay, let's just turn this on and drive it. Oh, that looks so good.
Yes, it does.
Look at the lights. That's so awesome. So I have it on low mode right now, so it's gonna be a little slow. But I do think it's fun to have the low mode for other applications other than handing the controller to inexperienced people. When you get in like a harder spot, it's nice to have it in low mode.
That looks so good. I've always been a big fan of World War II machines and the whole pinup girl theme. And that truck is rocking it. Abby's the one that actually pointed this out and was like, we gotta get this.
All right, that's low mode. I'm gonna switch it to the middle mode.
How easy is that?
Oh yeah, just
throw a switch, boom, boom. So the extremely keen eye may notice that this camera's back to 1080p and not 4K. Our 4K camera overheated the last video we did, which is crazy. It shouldn't have. It's very, very expensive. And we're giving this a shot here. It's also raining, so we're just back to our old camera for now. Nothing wrong with this camera, just wanted to go 4K. We're trying to come up with a better solution to go 4K for ground vehicles, but that camera was rated for 4K. It was a Canon camera, which are a very well-known good brand.
All right, high mode.
Oh, okay.
It's full throttle.
Nice. Wow. We're booking it.
Honestly, I think low mode is like one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's a crawler.
Yeah.
It's a crawler. And so Abby and I are back to camera hunting. We were going to try that 4K camera again today before returning it. Oh, you're hung up. There you go.
I knew I was on something.
But the rain kicked up, and so we just decided to go with the old camera. We didn't want to get that new one wet, especially if we're going to return it. So anyway, for now, we're running this old camera again.
I keep getting stuck on these little roots.
Little twigs, yeah.
Maybe if I put it in high mode, it'll plow right through it.
No.
they're tough little boogers. To go around.
There you go. It looks better scale in slow mode, I think, but hey, you can take it through grass really well. You've had this stick. There, you got it.
I got it on?
Yeah.
I love these things.
Me too.
I really want an indoor course, like custom, realistic looking indoor course. They're so cool.
So Abby and I started a secret YouTube channel called TheRcSaylors Shorts. And if you missed yesterday's video, or the last video that hit the channel, I think that was yesterday's video, then you won't even know about that channel, because right now, as of filming this video, we have under 100 subscribers. And how cool would it be for you to be one of the first 1,000 subscribers of our brand new channel, TheRcSaylors Shorts. The cool thing that we're doing over there is showing you guys some more behind the scenes stuff, things that you would never get to see on this channel. We showed our entire RC airplane collection briefly. I just moved an entire forest for you. But the exciting news is we're having an announcement tomorrow that's going to hit that little channel, TheRcSaylors Shorts, exclusively. At least the announcement will be. Something that's going to completely change the entire RC industry and how it works. It is extremely groundbreaking. Something that I never ever could have imagined would exist. It was awesome.
Oh no.
Abby's geeking out over the flex on the truck, and I'm geeking out over this technology. Oh, I can't say. Not technology. Innovation, invention, different, change, how the entire RC industry works.
What is this, coming tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah. I'm so excited to announce it, and you guys are going to hear about it first on the TheRcSaylors Shorts. So
it impacts everybody. Every single person in the hobby, no matter what vehicles you like the best.
In a good way, in a very, very good way.
Maybe not on your wallet though.
We'll see, we'll see. It might be worth it.
At least at first, not on your wallet, but
right.
Later on it'll be worth it. Okay, I gotta figure out a path.
I don't know. I think you gotta head up to the left around the gravel. Down there, you're gonna get stuck. You gotta go up to the left.
I could go that way.
Yeah. So this is what's fun about the micro crawling world. Oh no, that's your first wreck.
Back up here.
Here, we'll do this.
I'm gonna put it in medium.
This is what I really enjoy about the crawling world, the micro crawling world. I say this in a lot of the videos, but it applies every time. You have an entirely different world you can crawl in that you could not crawl in as 10th scale. So here we are. This spot would not be so great in the 10th scale world, but it is perfect for this little truck. Nice. Y'all see, a 10th scale could never get through there. You can actually drive that right through there, right under there. How cool is that?
Pretty awesome.
Oh no! Doesn't that look good? Such a cool truck. We were just up here filming the intro. All right, Abby said she wants to do a speed run.
This is high mode.
It's as fast as she'll go.
Medium.
We're down to medium now.
Yep. And low.
I like low.
Yeah, I do too.
Because it's driving at like a scale speed, and I know you have the throttle trigger pulled all the way.
Yep.
That's a cool truck. It's not cool to trip the camera person. Abby was so gracious to pass off the controls. I was just getting tired of having to break my back to film this little thing. We gotta take turns. We're getting old, Abby.
Yeah, I know.
I like the tires on this. They're different than the others, aren't they? Or am I just imagining that?
I don't know. We'll have to put them side by side.
I'm just gonna see if I can hop right down in here. Oh, just barely too steep.
1.
Yeah, okay. Who knows what we're talking about when we say 1? Anybody? So those little twigs are a bit much. Look at that. I'm climbing the twigs.
That's hilarious.
Wow. All right, I'm going
that's impressive.
It is impressive.
That it literally climbed that.
Yeah, and that's on low speed. Climbed over that twig. There we go. Yeah. So all this is a small garden, if you haven't been able to tell. And we've turned it into a crawling course for this truck. That is awesome. That is awesome. And if you want a small truck, but for some reason you don't love the way this looks, or you don't want to wait for them to get in stock or whatever, there are a ton of varieties on these little guys. Oh, there's a vine that got me. What we can do is link all of them for you guys in the description box below. And if you've never seen these especially, let us know in the comments which of the SCX24s is your absolute favorite. If you could only have one, only one existed, which one would it be?
From what I understood, at least when they released this, I thought this was like a limited time.
I think so.
SCX24.
Yeah. It was announced that way. Oh no, I got hung up. Increase the speed, high rate. That did it. That did it. Nice. We'll go through one more time in high rates. Yeah, when you're in high rates, you can power through a little bit more.
Yeah.
But it's a little more jumpy on the throttle.
Yeah, not as scale.
What a sweet truck, Abby. Thanks for letting me drive it. Yeah, it's back to your turn. It's your truck. Definitely your truck. You actually were the first one to see it. You told me about it. You were like, we have to have it. It's mine. So that's yours. I get that way sometimes with some of my airplanes and stuff. Isn't that cool?
Very. I love it.
It's not just small. You're not losing quality here with this.
Exactly.
You still have all the quality of
so cool.
10 scale axials.
Yep. I will meet or pay someone a lot of money
for a crawler course.
course.
Yeah, we're suffering in the cold out here to do this.
Oh,
maybe we could make one. I don't know. It looked like it probably looked like the
one. That's the thing.
I'd say when we're done with it, it looked like the moon.
I'd put glitter on it.
Oh my gosh, it would look like a unicorn moon, and we don't want that. Nobody wants that.
Me and Amelia do.
No, the channel doesn't want that.
I don't know.
Well, let us know in the comments below. Are you guys subscribed to the new channel, the TheRcSaylors Shorts? Are you going to be one of the first 1,000? And are you going to be there to hear the huge, insane news that is changing the RC industry? Let us know in the comments below, or better yet, go over to the TheRcSaylors Shorts, subscribe, and let us know what number of subscriber you are. This is awesome having two channels, having such unique content for both channels, and I'm really excited. I'm excited to see where 2021 brings the TheRcSaylors Shorts. And man, look at that. Look at that good looking truck.
I love it.
Wow. We're going to have it and all of the others linked in the description box below. This is such a sweet RC. If you don't have this one or any of them, you really should buy one of them. They come in at a really good price to test the crawling world out. And just for all the good in the world and in our lives, I want to thank God. I also want to say a massive thank you to our Patreon supporters. You guys are truly the backbone of our channel. You keep us going and motivated. You keep the content rolling on this channel, and now you're a strong motivating factor behind the TheRcSaylors Shorts. You, our Patreons, created another channel. What? That's crazy. Awesome. Guys, this stuff will be linked in the description box below. We'll have another mini crawler video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!